Oh gosh, there was something on here. Waited too late. No, he's on. Can you see the fight on the rod? Trolling night crawlers today. Ho ho! Ho ho! We'll mess around and caught us a nice little spot in this running water. Nice little spot. Nice little spot. Oh, nice little spot. Oh, nice little spot. Nice little black warrior spot, huh? Nice black warrior spot. Ooh, his gills are ripped open. I'm gonna put him back. Something's wrong with his gills. Ooh, corner of the mouth. Nice little black warrior spot. Let him go. All right. Never seen one with his gills ripped out like that. I don't know what happened there. I just put him back, give him a chance, let him live. Not bad. Not bad off this point here. Fishing a point can be, you can catch a lot of fish off a point, but not just the main point, but back off the other side of the point, back off the other side of the point. You just have to work it and catch it. It works. There he is. Really just catching bait. A lot of the bluegill that are getting gut hooked, I'm keeping for bait for catfish. The ones that are hooked in the jaw, I'm just letting them go. Private farm pond. Undisclosed location.